Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of referring friends to Lyft and earning rewards along the way. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Start by launching the Lyft app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play and create an account. Step 2. Access the menu. Once you're logged in, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. Tap on it to reveal the options available to you. Step 3. Find the Invite Friends section. Scroll down the menu until you find the Invite Friends section. This is where you can access your unique referral code and link to share with others. Step 4. Share your referral code. Here, you will find your personalized referral link. You can easily share this link through various platforms such as social media, text messages, or email. Just tap the share icon and choose your preferred method. Step 5. Encourage friends to sign up. When you share your referral link, encourage your friends to sign up for Lyft using that link. Make sure to explain the benefits they will receive, such as a discount on their first ride. Step 6. Keep track of your referrals. Once your friends use your referral code to sign up, you can track how many referrals you've made and the rewards you've earned. You can do this in the same Invite Friends section. Step 7. Redeem your rewards. After your friends complete their first ride, you'll receive rewards, which can be in the form of ride credits. Keep an eye on your rewards balance and enjoy the benefits of your successful referrals. Remember, the more friends you refer, the more rewards you can earn. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more tips and tricks. Happy riding with Lyft!